Good day everyone, my name is Lee Mingyan and this presentation is part of my Financial Statistics 1002 Assignment Part B. I would like to thank our lecturer, Ms. Nadia, for her support in this project. In this presentation, I will walk you through the analysis and insights derived from the Australian movie market data, focusing on consumer spending behaviors, preferences, and demographic patterns. For this assignment, I was tasked with selecting a random sample of 150 customers from a dataset of 4,815 records. This sample forms the basis for all of our analysis in both Part A and Part B of the project. To ensure randomness and representativeness, I used computational tools and Excel to randomly select the 150 entries, eliminating any potential bias. This sample will be used to analyze customer preferences, spending patterns, and other key variables, which will guide us in addressing subsequent tasks instead. Moving on, let's dive into the insights derived from the sample. The analysis includes 9 key variables, with both categorical variables like state, city, gender, and movie preferences, as well as continuous variables such as age, spending, and movie purchases. For categorical variables, frequency tables and graphs are used to highlight distributions. Continuous variables are analyzed through both frequency and descriptive statistics, capturing key metrics like central tendencies and variability, providing a comprehensive overview of the data. Out of the 9 variables, 5 were selected for deeper analysis using Python-generated tables and graphs. This approach combines both tabular techniques like pivot and summary tables and graphical techniques such as bar, pie, and column charts. These visualizations offer a structured and accessible way to analyze trends, outliers, and relationships, helping us gain valuable insights into consumer demographics, preferences, and spending behaviors. To visualize the data more effectively, I first created individual charts in Excel representing different variables like state, city, gender, age, and movie purchases. These visualizations were then compiled into an interactive dashboard. Slicers were added for key variables such as state, city, and gender, allowing for dynamic filtering and providing an interactive analysis experience that updates the charts based on selected filters. Now, let's focus on the analysis of sci-fi movies purchases. Out of 150 respondents, 41 selected sci-fi movies as their first choice. The average number of first-choice sci-fi movie purchases for these 41 respondents was 31.71, with a standard deviation of 6.07. A 95% confidence interval for this data ranged from 29.79 to 33.62, meaning we can be 95% confident that the true average number of purchases falls within this range. This provides a reliable estimate of consumer behavior in the sci-fi movie segment in the Australian market. Next, we analyze the average spending on all types of movies. The average amount spent was calculated at $158.47, with a 95% confidence interval ranging from $147.78 to $169.16. Given that the population mean is $160.71, this indicates that the true average spending on movies in the Australian market is likely within this range. These insights are crucial for understanding consumer behavior and tracking trends over time, providing valuable data for market forecasting. Moving on to hypothesis testing, we first examine whether there is a significant difference in average spending between comedy and drama films. The results showed that the average spending on comedy films was $163.14, while drama films had an average spending of $135.53. Despite the higher average for comedy films, a t-test with a p-value of 0.9498 indicated that there is insufficient evidence to conclude that people spend more on comedy films rather than drama films. And as for hypothesis 2, we tested that the gender-based difference in movie spending. The results revealed that women, on average, spend $26.73, while men spend $22.25. The t-test rejected the null hypothesis, indicating a statistically significant difference. This suggests that women tend to spend more on movies than men, and this finding is supported by both descriptive and inferential data. In the regression and correlation analysis, we explored the relationship between age and movie spending. The results showed a positive correlation, indicating that older consumers tend to spend more on movies. Specifically, spending increases by $2.95 for each additional year of age. This insight highlights that both age and gender are important factors in shaping consumer spending behaviors in the movie industry. From this assignment, I have concluded that gender and age play significant roles in influencing movie spending patterns. Women, on average, spend more on movies than men, and older consumers tend to spend more as well, with spending increasing by $2.95 for each additional year of age. Additionally, genre preferences shows that action and sci-fi are the most popular genres, tied as the first choice, while comedy is the leading second choice genre. These insights can help businesses in the movie industry understand consumer behaviors and tailor their marketing strategies accordingly. Thank you for your attention.